Good morning, students. I'm Jiteshwari Nishad. Today I am going to study the lesson number 7. The sky is falling. Children, reading is very important homework. You should read each and every word correctly and therefore you will have to practice. So this is your reading class. और लेसन को रीड करते समय जहाँ भी फुल स्टॉप कॉमा या पंक्चुएशन मार्क आते हैं वहाँ रुकेंगे और जो डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स हैं उन्हें अंडरलाइन करेंगे और उन्हें अच्छे से याद करेंगे. लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेसन. लेसन नंबर 7. द स्काई इज फॉलिंग. स्काई स्काई का मतलब होता है आकाश. फॉलिंग फॉलिंग वर्ड फॉल वर्ड से बना है. फॉल का मतलब होता है गिरना. कुट कुट कुटक्कू. अ hen was standing near the coconut tree. A nut fell down from the tree. Dham. She said, "Kut kut kutakku. The sky is falling. The sky is falling." And she ran. Ran is a past tense of run. फेल इज अ पास्ट टेंस ऑफ फॉल. फॉल का मतलब होता है गिरना. फेल फॉल का पास्ट टेंस है. द कॉक आस्क्ड, "Why are you running?" The cock asked, "Why are you running?" The hen said, "Run, the sky is falling." The cock said, "I am also coming with you." So they ran together. Together मतलब होता है साथ साथ. With or near each other. On the other way, they met a duck. The duck said, "Quack, quack. Why are you running?" The hen said, "Run, run. Kut, kut, kutakku. The sky is falling." The duck said, "I am also coming with you." And they ran together. A rabbit saw them running. "Rabbit, where are you going?" The hen said, "Run, run. The sky is falling." So they all ran together. A fox was coming out of her cave. Cave means shelter for wild animals like tiger, lion, etc. जिसे हिंदी में कहेंगे गुफा. केव का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है गुफा. She asked, "Oh, my dear, what is the matter?" The hen said, "The sky is falling. We are all going to the king's palace." Palace, large building of a king. Palace means large building of a king. The fox said, "Friends, I know the king's palace. I will take you there." The hen said, "Yes, yes." The fox went into the cave and the hen, the cock, the duck, the rabbit went into the cave one by one. The fox went. Went is a past tense of go. The fox went into the cave, and the hen, the cock, the duck, the rabbit went into the cave one by one. Guess what happened then? Okay, children, let's see some difficult words and their meanings. Together. Together means with or near each other. साथ साथ. Palace. Palace means large building of a king, जिसे हिंदी में कहा जाएगा महल या राजमहल. Cave. Cave means shelter for wild animals like tiger. Guess. 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 Imagine. Guess means imagine. Fall. Fall means come down or descend. नीचे गिरना. Cottage. Cottage, a small house of mud in a village. मिट्टी का बना हुआ छोटा सा घर, उसे कहा जाता है कॉटेज. शेड, शेल्टर फॉर एनिमल. कैनल. कैनल मीन्स शेल्टर फॉर डॉग्स. जहाँ डॉग्स को रखा जाता है उसे कहा जाता है कैनल. स्टेबल. स्टेबल मीन्स शेल्टर फॉर हॉर्स. जहाँ घोड़ों को रखा जाता है उसे कहा जाता है स्टेबल. Okay, students, read the lesson carefully and learn these keywords by heart. Okay, thank you.